Hi, this is Veronica from Zhengguan Media. The Zhengzhou Puyang section of the Jinan-Zhengzhou High-speed Railway is now officially open to the traffic. I'm very excited to see how it is like. So today, let's go for a ride together. The Jinan-Zhengzhou High-speed Railway is the final step to form Henan star-shaped high-speed rail network, connecting the capitals of Henan Province and Shandong Province. The whole line from Zhengzhou East Railway Station to Jinan West Railway Station is about 380 kilometers long, and the designed maximum running speed is 350 kilometers per hour. Here I arrived at Zhengzhou East Railway Station. In fact, it is convenient to use e-ticket to take the train in Zhengzhou, but this time it is the first operation for this line. I think the train ticket is very memorable. My train leaves at 10:20 a.m. and arrives in Puyang at 11:47. It used to take more than 4 hours from Zhengzhou to Puyang, but now it only takes 52 minutes at the fastest. It's so convenient and fast, right? The name started with G, which means high-speed railway. There can be about 55 high-speed trains in its peak every day. Okay, now let's go to find my waiting hall. With the operation of Zhengzhou-Puyang high-speed railway section, all the cities in Henan province now have railways. It only takes about an hour from any city to Zhengzhou, the capital of Henan province. It's so convenient. The carriage is divided into 3 classes: the business class, first class, and second class. The whole carriage is very clean and spacious. The seat can be adjusted freely, eating table as well. I can drink hot water and use a clean bathroom. This is a USB and I can charge my phone from the seat. The outside is beautiful. The wheat field is gold and green. Now the summer harvest in Henan has concluded, with the wheat harvesting area of more than 85 million mu, and a new round of grain sowing has begun. From Zhengzhou to Puyang, we will pass 5 stations, which are Xinxiangnan, Xinxiangdong, Weihuinan, Huaxunxian, and Neihuang. We are traveling at 307 kilometers per hour now. Look at the water in this bottle. It's stable and couldn't see any fluctuation here. Now we arrived at Puyang East Railway Station. The local specialty guoliangpi is very delicious. From today on, I can eat hui mian at noon in Zhengzhou and guoliangpi in the afternoon in Puyang. The operation of Jinan-Zhengzhou High-speed Railway will serve as a fast passenger corridor linking the city clusters in central China and those in Shandong province, which is of significance for traffic system improvement and resources integration of the 2 provinces.